In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to update your emax-wyvern-link VRX to the newest firmware, which features many quality of life features, a reworked menu system, and even better performance. First thing you'll do is go to the OpenIPC GitHub page, scroll down to SBC Groundstations, click on it. Then to the right, do not click on the latest release, as that is actually an old, outdated firmware. Instead, click on the +39 releases. On this page, click Buildroot Snapshot. Now you'll want to find the emax-wyvern-link firmwares and download the SD card image and the U-boot bin file. Now go ahead and power on your Wyvern-link Groundstation. Here I am using a USB power source from a common charging brick to make sure I have long, continuous power. Once booted up, go ahead and press and hold the Wi-Fi button. Doing so will turn on AP mode. Next, you'll need to download PuTTY. The link will be provided in the description. Go ahead and install the MSI Windows installer. Now open up a command prompt and navigate to your downloads folder by typing in CD downloads. Now open up your computer's Wi-Fi setting and connect to the VRX Groundstation, and make sure that any VPN you may use is turned off. Next, type in the following command and hit enter. This will upload the new bootloader onto your VRX. From there, open up PuTTY and type in the IP address of the VRX as seen here. Hit open and a new command prompt window will pop up. Here it will ask for the username and password. Both are simply the word root in all lowercase. And now you are in the VRX. Now on the GitHub page under SBC Groundstations, scroll down to option 1 on ways to upgrade and copy the command. We will also have the command down in the description. Now rename the file in the command to the name of the emax-wyvern-link file instead, and hit enter. Now the VRX will flash the new bootloader very quickly. With that finished, go ahead and grab your micro SD card and power down the VRX. Go ahead and ignore the disconnect warning since we powered down the VRX, and go to this website to download Etcher. Go ahead and install the correct version for your system. Once installed, simply connect your SD card, which should automatically pop up on Etcher, and click Flash from File. Select the SD card image file that we downloaded earlier, then hit Flash. This whole process can take a few minutes, depending on the speed of the SD card, but be patient. Once it is finished flashing, put the SD card into the VRX and power it on. The VRX will now flash the newest version of OpenIPC from the SD card, which may take a moment depending on the speed of the SD card. You will know it is finished when the OpenIPC splash screen shows up. Go ahead and power up your OpenIPC VTX or drone to receive an HD image. The newest version of OpenIPC features an intuitive menu system to change settings, resolutions, frame rates, channels, and more, making OpenIPC the most viable open source alternative to HDFPV in the market. Good luck!